going to show my newest process for cleaning my Intex chlorine generator plates. This is a new system I got this year. These are the plates in this one. This takes about, I have really hard water here. It takes about 3 days to get like that. So about every 3 days I have to clean them. And this is what I do. I turn the valves off, both valves. And then I unhook all this stuff. I'll take this out, take this off, unplug it, and then take this out of here. See how bad that is? That's pretty bad. That's a little worse than it usually gets. Then I have a bucket. It's just about the right size. And I'll take the bucket. And I put a little bit of, this is my other filter system on the other end of the pool that's hooked to the heater. We got a propane tank next to the heater. I fill it with some water, about that much. So it's just a couple inches down on there. And then I have some muriatic acid. Doing all this one-handed. And I dump some of that in there until it's, there we go. Probably about 20% acid, 80% water, give or take. And I let that sit probably for 15-20 minutes. And that, you know, if you can watch it, it eats all that stuff up. And once in a while I can mix it around, I guess. About 15 minutes to a half an hour, and then it's all gone. And then I just reassemble it all back together, and open the valves back up and turn everything on. Like I said, I do that 2 to 3 times a week. And the chlorine generator doesn't quite keep up with the pool. I generally will still shock the pool at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. That's it. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos on the pool stuff if you like watching Intex pool videos. I know I do. Bye.